Will rat poison kill moles? This is Rosetta on YouTube. Rat poison?
No.
No.
No, rat poison's for rats. Yeah. Moles.
Right.
Moles actually eat earthworms and bugs and stuff, so right. They wouldn't go for that. Oh my goodness, no.
Right, yeah, rat poisons, yeah, mice, rats.
Right, yeah.
Right. The moles, as you mentioned. Insectivores, grubs,
yes. Yeah.
Spiders, centipedes, millipedes, earthworms, things like that, right? You know our recommendation?
Yes, I do.
The University of Tennessee Extension.
Yes.
Mole traps.
Yes, yeah. Mole traps.
Mole traps.
You go out and you find, you walk over the mounds, and if the next day you come back and they've gone through it, you know that's a major thoroughfare that they keep clear, and that's where you set your trap. But then you've got to look at it every morning. Set it in the evening, and you go look at it in the morning.
Yeah. You might have to move it around a few times.
Yeah, you have to move it around.
You have to move it around a few times. But yeah, as far as using the rat poisons, no, Miss Rosetta, yeah. So use the traps. You know, there are a lot of different home remedies that I've heard, and you've heard some of the same ones: broken glass, juicy fruit bubble gum, you know, poison pellets and things like that. So I would just use the mole trap. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.